Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 17 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the ultra slim case for the 17 Pro from Pitaka. This case is probably the minimalistic case out of the other cases that I reviewed. This one doesn't have like the buttons. It has a cutout for the buttons, so a little bit less protection, but this is probably one of the minimalistic cases that you can get, and it just looks great. It's almost like you have a skin on your phone instead of a case. I need to give a shout out to Pitaka for sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get any type of lip protection on there? Is it really minimalistic, or does it add bulk? How strong is the magnet on there? Can you wireless charge? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I will have the links in the description, so if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. They have the PitaTap for the camera cutout there. Also, it says MagSafe compatible. It's Aramid fiber. They have different color choices on their website. And if you have the 17 Pro Max, it's the same thing. They come with all kind of stuff in here. We don't need that. We just want the case. Look at this case. So it's very minimalistic. I mean, man, this thing is so thin. But I do love the look of this. And the one thing I'm gonna say, you do have camera protection. You definitely do. They could have made the cutouts a little bit more precise. Again, not at all any lip protection. I would not slam this phone down. I would definitely make sure I have a screen protector on it, because it's not, you're not getting a protection there for your display. You have a little logo there, Pitaka logo. And then, like I said, the buttons are cut out. There's no like buttons there. So if you drop it in certain spots, yes, you could scratch your buttons or break it. At the bottom, even the charging port is open. Doesn't add bulk. I mean, this, again, it's like you have a skin on your phone, and that's about it. This is like the case I rock around my house every day. That I don't drop my phones a lot, so I'll rock this one, and just, yeah, it's great. Now, we'll test out the magnet. Now, the overall fit, yeah, it's going to take some time and trying to get this case off. You know, they fit really good on there. These are the cases that, like I said, minimalistic that you look for. Let's check out this PitaTap button here. Okay. It works. Not bad at all. So that button works really well too. So they have, I like how they did that. They could have left the cutout, but they decided to make up their own little button there. Shout out to Pitaka for doing that. Bam. Let's see how strong the magnet is. Again, I say it in all my videos, I don't think you have a problem while it's charging. While it's charging, it's not a problem. And then the magnet, yeah. Pitaka has been stepping up their game. I think all the manufacturers have. So, yeah, I mean, that is pretty strong on there. Let's see. This is my new test. Like, I mean, I have to really slam it down for it to get it off. So again, all these accessories, do y'all use these accessories? I really don't. I'm sorry, I'm not into it. Maybe because I'm an Android user most of the time, but I don't really use these battery banks. I don't use the little holders, but I mean, this magnet overall is really strong. Man, this case probably be in the top 10 too. Stay tuned for that video. If you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from their website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 17 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.